There are jobs where there's no room for unexpected interruptions. Jobs where power availability 24/7 is critical. Generators by AGCO Power deliver reliable standby power and peace of mind across generations. We meet critical power requirements and offer support for a wide range of applications with over 70 years of experience. Responsibility is visible in what we do, in new product development and maintenance of existing products. We listen to our customers. We design and manufacture products according to customers' needs and specifications. Our products are made at our own facilities from start to finish. Our production line puts out generators, pumps, and primary power stations. Our solutions are in the power range of 60 to 2,500 kilovolt amps. We have your needs covered, big or small. We have power you can trust. Each generator and pump is factory tested before it's handed over. Even the best of machines need care. We have spare parts and manuals to all items produced since we started in early 1952. Thanks to high-quality products and a professional service network, you can rely on AGCO Power's standby power solutions for decades. In addition to standby solutions, we provide reliable primary power for various applications. Our expertise helps safeguard people's well-being and keep the world running.